Good morning to all of you. My name is Sajal Sarkar from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Vidyapith, Mount Abu. Today we are going to teach you mathematics and topic is triangle. There in class 10 that is BPT and converse BPT. So earlier we have discussed what is BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Today we will discuss some of the corollary of BPT theorem, means corollary of basic proportionality theorem, as well as converse basic proportionality theorem. So the concept of that we will discuss today. Okay. So now look at that. In triangle ABC, DE parallel BC. If in triangle ABC, DE parallel BC, then by BPT we can say AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. That is the BPT theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Now this is BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Now from this is the generalized form. Now from here we will find another options also. Like these are called corollary of BPT. Corollary of BPT by rules of proportion we will find that, because this is equal ratio. Equal ratio means proportion. So by from this proportion we can find the other properties also. So by inverted, if we change this, then this will also change. If we change this, then this will be BD upon AD is equal to EC upon AE. So now look, if this, because if this line and this line parallel, then by BPT we say AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. But in the same way, if these two lines are parallel, then we can say by BPT also that BD upon AD, that means this lower part upon upper part, that is BD upon AD is equal to EC upon AE. So in such way also we can do. Another part also we can do. AD upon total AB. AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. What we have done? Upper part upon total. So AD upon AB. Here also in the same way, AE upon AC. So this is the next one. How we do this? If we add 1 plus 1, both the side, if we add, then we will get this. So I am not going to do that one, how we get this one, but I am giving you the instruction that if we add both sides, 1 plus 1. So if you add 1 here, add 1 here, then you will get this one. Now look, this is there. So again we can do the alternative, that means this AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AD. So we can also find AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. So this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4. Again, that means this upon total is equal to this upon total. Now we can say total upon this, that means AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. In the same way, we can do BD upon AB, BD upon AB, BD lower part upon AB is equal to same way. This is the lower part, so here also EC upon AC. This is also there, and we can do the again change this. Then AB upon BD. That means change this means we divided both the side, divided by 1. 1 divided this, 1 divided this. That means this will change this. So you can do AC upon EC. So 4, 5, 6. So these 6 times all are, you can say, from BPT we are getting. So if there is in when you solve the question, so there you have to find not only this AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. If this is there, that means by BPT you can write this also. By BPT, suppose this line DE parallel to BC, this is given. DE parallel BC, this is given. Then you can write directly AD upon AD is equal to AE upon AC. You can write, and that will be by BPT also. So actually in BPT what we say? If this line parallel, then AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. But we can say all of these, any one of these by BPT. If this line parallel this line, then we can say this, we can say this, we can say this, or all these things we can say. So this is called corollary of BPT. So these are the actually BPTs, part of BPTs. Now converse BPT. BPT means basic proportionality theorem. Converse. Then what is the converse? In BPT, we have basic proportionality theorem. We know that if this line parallel, then this ratio equal. Now, if in a triangle this ratio equal, if a line segment divided two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So, if this ratio same, that means AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. So, in triangle, if in triangle ABC, AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC, AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC, then by converse you can say this line parallel. By converse you can say these two lines are parallel to each other. Now in the same way, if we get all these, any one of these here, then also we can say this line parallel. That means if we find, suppose in triangle ABC, AD upon AD upon AB is equal to AE, AD upon AE is equal to AE upon AC. Then by converse BPT, we can say, by converse BPT you can say DE parallel BC. So in such a way, DE, this is the parallel side. What is this? This is the parallel side. DE parallel BC. That means, originally, converse BPT is this AD upon BD equal to AE upon AC. Then this line parallel. If this line parallel, then this ratio equal. Line parallel, ratio equal. That is called BPT. And if this ratio equal, then this line parallel. That is converse BPT. Now, any one of these, if you get any one of these, then you can say by converse BPT also DE parallel BC. Okay? So I will send you the other questions also. Thank you.